Word just came in from my neighbor that there's a new street done in my neighborhood, so let's go rip the new street. Alright, so we got a lot of new concrete here. Gonna try this out, see what it's like, see what we can do. As you can see, the car hit like a false neutral and it died. Alright guys, so I got the motor off. I'm about to start tearing it down so we can see exactly what's wrong with it. Sorry, I'm sweating profusely. I took the clutch cover off and I immediately found the problem. This isn't supposed to look like this. See how those clutch plates are everywhere? Looks like the housing broke. So I'm gonna pull these clutch plates off and see exactly what went wrong. Because you can actually see a few pieces of metal actually in there, which is kind of crazy, but yeah, let's pull this off. check this out. This water pump looks really old, but I'm gonna stay with it. Power valve looks good. I'm about to have to switch cameras, so peace out. All right guys, so I had to switch to my other camera, but got the power valve off and started separating the cases, sorry. And as you can see, there are parts galore. So I think I broke something pretty good in there. I'm about to pull the cases all the way apart and see what's broken. All of these pieces of metal came out of the engine. So I'm just gonna check over a bunch of stuff and see what we can see here. So from what I can tell, the clutch basket is fucked. So looks like all we need is a clutch basket, and I think we're gonna be okay. Which is really lucky. So I guess I need to put a clutch basket on order, and I think we're gonna be fine. And I have to figure out what size that nut is, and finish getting all these parts out. So that's a ton of parts. Apparently this thing just murdered the basket, so. Well, that's cool. Could have been a lot worse. Glad that's all that it is. At least now I can just go ahead and replace that, and we should be straight. That looks like the only thing wrong, clutch basket and clutch plates, and I think we're gonna be okay, guys. Pretty awesome, but that's all that's wrong, so. Sick. Shout out to Mechanics Wear, man. They've helped me out a lot. They were actually on the race car, and Mechanics Wear and Wicks, and they've been really good to me. So these gloves, I've taken them through hell and back, and I've got another pair, but these fit really well, and I will literally always buy Mechanics Wear gloves. So if I were you guys, I would buy some because they're great. Yeah, so that's the end of this one. I guess I need to do some eBaying and figure out what I can figure out.